You're watching Jordan's Judgment.
When you want another truth, you should ask a super sleuth. Jordan tries it out for you and tells you what he thinks. Thumbs up if it is fun. Thumbs down if it just stinks.
Hi, I'm Jordan, and today I'm feeding the ducks bread.
Is it scary, Jordan?
You get
Look, Jordan, look.
Ooh, good job, Jordan. Come on, Justin, let's see what you got. They're coming.
Mommy.
They're coming, Jordan. Say it. He's gonna attack you.
Big boy style. Justin, watch him. Minnie, run.
Are you scared? Oh, he's a big one. Let it eat from your hand.
No.
You guys are scared? You scared? You guys are scared? Thank you.
There's one waiting. Get up, get up, get up. Thank you. You're good. You're doing good training. It's time for Jordan's Judgment. Feeding the ducks were good, but a little scary because they all come. See?